evening of January 13th, the planet Mars passed behind the full wolf moon in what's known as a lunar occultation. This stunning celestial event was seen by large parts of North America and Western Africa. Plenty of skywatchers and photographers caught the spectacle on camera, including myself. In this behind-the-scenes video, I'm going to show you my experience photographing the occultation from here in southwest Idaho. I'll also share some of my camera settings and maybe a tip or two to help you along if you ever get a chance to photograph something like this in the future. Alright, it's time to get this video started. Let's get right into it. I gotta quickly set up the star tracker. Mars is catching up with the moon real quick right now. Alright, we got the tripod leveled. We got the SkyGuider Pro polar aligned. Magically, it just worked out really quickly. And then we balanced the rig. Mars is getting pretty close to the moon right now. I really need to get this shot up and running. We're looking good. I'd say we got another 15 minutes maybe till Mars goes behind the moon. I haven't been out shooting for the last couple months because it's been cold and cloudy. I haven't really even seen the full moon in at least 2 or 3 months. The sky cleared up really nicely. It's just beautiful out right now. Mars is just right there to the bottom left of the moon. Kind of hard to see on the cell phone, but if I overexpose it, you can see it right there to the left. It's going to travel right through that upper left-hand corner. And yeah, we're tracking. We got our shot going. It looks awesome. And now we just kind of hang out and make sure that the tracker just kind of keeps the moon in the middle of frame. I don't want to let it drift too much, because then it might become more of a nightmare for processing the time lapse and just having like a really nice solid shot. Whoa, did you see that truck that was just like fully lit up? That was wild. Anyways, I have the Sony A7 Mark III with the Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter lens on and a 2-time extender. So I'm shooting at 1200 millimeters right now. And I'm doing a 10-second interval. A 10-second interval is perfect. I'm not going to go home with thousands and thousands of frames. I mean, I'm going to go home with a lot of frames, but not 5,000, 10,000 frames that I don't need to shoot for something like this. I also have the concern that my SkyGuider Pro just isn't strong enough to handle such a heavy rig. It's got a good amount of weight on it with this lens and the 2-times extender and the adapter and the camera and everything. Over here we have Venus and Saturn. You can see both of them over there, about to set in the western sky. That damn dog's been barking for fucking ever. He hears me talking to the camera. Sorry, pup. And that damn duck's been quacking all damn night. Oh no, the clouds rolled in. Just like that in like 5 minutes. Since I was last out of the car. I mean, I can still see the moon, and I still see good detail in the moon, but I don't know how that's gonna affect Mars. I'm sure I'll be able to see Mars through it. I can see some other stars up there, but what the heck? There was not a single cloud in the sky like 5 minutes ago when I checked on the camera last. Yeah, look at that, that's crazy. The clouds pretty much cleared now. They've come and gone in like 10 minutes or less. Oh, okay, now I can see it. There it is. It's just now poking out of the top of the moon. And it kind of just went through the bottom left-hand corner and just sliced through the upper left-hand side of the moon, which is, it's cool. It didn't take very long. It was about 45 minutes for it to fully go through it. I mean, I guess I got the shot. It looks great. I'm fairly happy with what I captured tonight. I am a little disappointed with my SkyGuider Pro. It just can't really handle this much weight. I did a really good job on getting it polar aligned and the tripod leveled and everything, but I could have probably spent a couple more minutes balancing the whole rig, but I was running out of time. I was really rushed. I know I can definitely work with what I captured. And yeah, I'm really thankful that all those clouds that popped up right before the planet Mars poked out from behind the moon, I'm super thankful that they just passed. They are kind of coming back right now, but I'm wrapping up the shoot anyway, so it's not a big deal. I'm happy with what I've captured tonight. I'm gonna pack this stuff up in a minute and head home and jump on the computer and process all this stuff. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, everybody. Do all that stuff. It really helps my channel. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.